In this recordings in our series for face mill operations, we'll be going through the technology options that we have in face mill. For our technology options, we have the following. We have either hatch, contour, one pass, or spiral. Hatch is exactly what it shows over here, where it goes from side to side, stepping over from one end to the other until it completes machining that entire face. Contour starts from the outside and works around the contour, finishes, then goes another step in, finishes that contour until it gets to the middle, working from the outside in. One pass will actually work just one pass over the middle of the stock, and this is good if your face mill is actually larger than the width of the stock itself, allowing you to finish the entire face with one pass. And the next one is spiral. Spiral works from the outside and gradually works its way into the middle in a spiral motion. This one actually is recommended by most tooling companies. In our next recording, we'll start going deeper into each one of these technologies.